Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So, this is market manipulation at its best, and I think I've had enough of a rant of it on the Dow Jones video, so move across to that if you want to hear my rant there. But bottom line is this has been manipulated by the market makers and the brokers right now, and this is basically what is transpiring. And obviously there's a lot of shorts in the market. The money markets, well, the money makers and market makers and the brokers are trying to capitalize on their shorts and drive it up, drive it down, drive it up, drive it down. Anyway, I'm not interested in this kind of chaos. This is not what I'm really interested in trading right now. So I'll be sitting on the sidelines. If you are inclined to trade, you're going to have to keep your positions really small, and you're going to have to pay very close attention to your levels. You can see how we blast through levels. So this level here, which is 37.54, which is a major level. Look at how often we've touched it. And it's on the weekly as well, and you can see how we blast below it, blast above it, blast below it. It's very difficult to jump in and get a firm read on what's happening with price when you see this kind of structure. So, I mean, look at that. Put things into perspective. So, you fall 3% in a day, right? Then you rally 2.9% in a day, and then you fall basically 1.2% today already, and you're just blasting through major levels. So there's no support and resistance, really isn't even looked at the moment. So I think my advice to you right now is stay well away from this. It does look like we've got some crossovers here as well. There's some major fights going on at the moment. So for me, it's probably just safer just to sit it out. And you can see what I mean. So you see a solid bull trend like that, you think, wow, that's definitely always in. I need to be trading to the upside. And then you get your profit takers at the top, and the short sellers step in and they drive it down after market, after hours, with low when there's low volumes in the market as well. Anyway, for me, I'm really not interested in this. I'm going to sit on the sidelines. We'll pick this up on Monday, but pay attention to your levels. You have broken a big bull channel. Remember that. Let me just put that in for you. So there is your bull channel. You have broken it twice the upside. You've broken it once the downside. It hasn't really retested, but it did retest a level, not the level that I would have expected it to retest. I'd have expected the retest to be more subdued down here, over there. So it has been tested. So argument could be on for 3,500 as the target. I'm not convinced either way. I think you're probably going to see this drive down now, and maybe a bit during the European session, and then we'll see what happens in the US session. But at the moment, it is month end and weekend, so they're obviously trying to get a bear bar for the month at the moment. So anyway, it is extremely volatile at the moment, and I'm very wary of getting caught in that. So I will be sitting on the sidelines and watching this unfold. Anyway, guys, if I do see something, I will drop it in the Telegram channel like I did for you yesterday. That was a fairly decent trade, although we could have held it a bit longer. But anyway, it was 200 odd points, which was more than enough as far as I'm concerned. And that's kind of me for today. Got nothing more to add to this, really. Anyway, stay safe, keep those stops tight, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.